This is Sher Afzal, the founder, the chairman of Global CEO Club Private Limited. As you know, it's a registered entity in Pakistan. The headquarter of Global CEO Club is based in USA, Washington DC. I started this journey around 8 years ago, now started across the globe. Mr. Zafar Iqbal, one of the partner of Solar Max, is with us. Mr. Zafar, I'm very grateful to you that you spared some time to share your views, your vision with the audience of Global CEO Club. Please share with us about Solar Max, please.
Assalamu alaikum. First of all, thank you very much. You visited our booth. Actually, we are working since 2007 in renewable energy industry. So it's my pleasure to introduce our few of our products. Behind our discussions, there is a Solar Max inverters, all variety available from 1.5 kilowatt to 50 kilowatt in hybrid, and we have lithium-ion series from 1.5, 3 kilowatt, 5 kilowatt, 16 kilowatt, and so on. So we have variety of range for solar energy products, and we have a distribution network all over Pakistan, and we also have a 30 plus services center in different cities of Pakistan, where all the dealers can sell our products to the different end users, and end users can avail services locally at their hometown.
Okay, thank you. When you started this venture, sir?
We are working since 2007, and in renewable energy, you know, the particularly business started in 2010 and 11 when the market started booming for solar, for inverters, for batteries. So in the beginning, we have to tell to customers what we are doing in solar, what solar is doing in the society, how can you get benefited from the solar panels and inverters. So when the technology get advanced and everything is going to be shifted in newer and newer technology, so inverter goes from the PWM to MPPT and then double and triple MPPT. So this is all the journey of all these products. So this is what we are doing in since many years. Inverters have a variety of technologies. We have, as I told you earlier, different from the residential point of view. We have systems. We have commercial point of view system. So all the categories we are covering in Pakistani regions.
Okay. It means you are right now in Pakistan only. What about your international?
Not only in Pakistan, we also have an office in Middle East in Dubai. We also have an office in Iraq, and now our factory is under construction in China as well. So we have places at different countries. So and we are also working in different countries in Africa. So we have some different steps, milestones in different cities and different countries.
Okay, thank you. As you are united here at Expo Center Lahore, Global CEO Club is uniting the business community at one forum, international business community, to have amazing growth across the globe. International business funding, international investments, Global CEO Club is available to facilitate the business community. I would like to invite two people join hands with Global CEO Club.
Okay, thank you very much for introducing yourself, and after the exhibition we will work on it, we will search and think on it, and if there is any potential and we think by mutually agreement we can do for the society, for the renewable energy sector, so definitely I will love to work with you and will love to part of your association as well.
Wonderful. Whether you are, if you have any project like $5 million, $10 million, $100 million, Global CEO Club would be happy to facilitate you to arrange investments for this mega project.
Thank you very much for your
Global
offer.
CEO Club can bring not only in Pakistan but the worldwide new technologies, dynamic technologies related with solar industry.
Sir, wonderful to know about your company, sir.
Thank you. Thank you. Have a nice time, sir.
Take care, sir.
Thank you.